Now, this region has seen such a strong focus from China because of the Belt and Road Initiative on the one hand side. President Xi Jinping has come here, I think, on his first trip after the COVID pandemic as well. From a Tencent corporate perspective, how important is the kingdom here, and also what kind of expansion plans, most importantly, do you have here?
Well, basically, we see there's a lot of energy in the country, in the kingdom, and at the same time, we see a lot of opportunities. When we talk to different partners in the region, I think they have a lot of ideas, and our goal is to bring the technology to places where people can derive value from it. So it's Tencent is a very global company. There are a lot of users in the region already using playing our games. So we do believe that by connecting all these dots together, we are able to serve the community better.
In how many markets of the GCC are you active already? Are you in all of the 6 Gulf countries, or mainly focused on Saudi Arabia right now?
It's still at our nascent stage in terms of addressing the needs of the market, the demand of the market. Saudi Arabia definitely one of the most important market that we are looking at, and we are trying to do more here. So I do believe that over the next 10 years we will continue to invest more and more in the greater region.